Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to reset your iPhone to factory settings safely and correctly. So first of all, open the settings app on your device and at the very top of your screen, tap on your name to access your Apple ID settings. Now here, tap on iCloud. Then go into iCloud backup and make sure all your important data is backed up. If needed, tap on backup now to create a fresh backup. Then once your backup is complete, go back and then tap on Find My. After that, tap on Find My iPhone and make sure to turn it off. You will need to enter your Apple ID password to disable this feature, so have it handy. Now that your backup is ready and Find My iPhone is turned off, return to the main settings menu, then tap on General. After that, scroll further down to transfer or reset iPhone and tap on it. Then tap on Reset and then choose Reset All Settings from the given options. After that, follow the on-screen instructions to reset your phone. During this process, you can choose whether to keep your eSIM or delete it. If you want a complete reset, tap on Delete eSIM and erase data. Your iPhone will then erase everything, removing your Apple ID, wallet and all personal data, returning your device to factory default settings. Once the reset is complete, your iPhone is ready to be set up as new or to be safely sold or given away without losing any personal information. And that's all. That's how you can reset your iPhone to factory settings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.